Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to upgrade in RM Circle. I have received my 2 direct referrals. Now I'm going to show you how to upgrade in RM Circle. Right, I'm going to go to, make sure you're on the correct wallet obviously, and then explore. And I'm going to log into the rmcircle.com. It is Polygon Network. Press go, top right. Now, take note you have to connect your wallet each time that you log in. Connect. Even while you're using SafePal, you choose MetaMask. Right, so now your wallet is connected and you go to My Circle. You can see that I have got 2 direct referrals now with a balance of 652 Polygon. Remember, we're only doing the premium tier. So now we're going to upgrade to the next level, which is the census. So we're just going to, and that's going to cost 622 Polygon. Send to the next level, and you're going to confirm the transaction. Upgrade submitted. Right, so and there it's upgraded to current level. Right, so that's good. Now you just assist your team and upgrade as high as you can. It is just 8 levels up till you get to Corona. Right, or wherever you choose to end up. Right, thank you.